What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds. This Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds comes with Qualcomm QCC3072 chip, 3 mics and a 12mm dynamic driver on each of the earbuds. This Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds offers excellent hybrid ANC performance, crystal clear call quality with Bluetooth 5.3. Nova ANC wireless earbuds from Tranya also comes with IPX5 rating, so this one is somewhat waterproof. There is another thing I like about this set of earbuds is this Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds comes with ultra low latency, that's only 40 milliseconds. Each of the earbud is packed with 45 mAh battery and the charging case itself comes with 400 mAh battery. So that means this charging case can actually recharge the earbuds more than 4 times. Fully recharge like 4.5 times. The brand Tranya claims that after one full charge, these earbuds will offer 9 hours of listening time. But well, I have managed to squeeze 9 hours and 36 minutes of listening time. So the brand is actually claiming less than what this one can offer. And the brand has claimed that the earbuds with this charging case together will offer 36 hours of battery life. I think they have miscalculated. When the earbuds are fully charged and the charging case is also fully charged, the earbuds along with the charging case offers more than 46 hours of battery life because this charging case can fully recharge this set of earbuds 4.5 times. That's tremendous, right? Come on Tranya, most of the brands are living on hype and you are claiming less than what your product can do. Okay, that's a great thing. Now, as I have talked about the listening time, what about charging time? 10 minutes of charging and we will have 2 hours of listening time. And the charging case along with the earbuds takes only 90 minutes to get fully charged. Especially I like this because I live in a wireless charging environment and you know what? I have dropped it. I have already dropped it like 5 or 7 times. Nothing happened and we will talk about build quality later. I have been talking about wireless charging environment. Yeah, this Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds supports wireless charging. Kudos to Tranya. But as usual, wireless charging speed is a bit slower than the wired charging speed. 30 minutes of wireless charging will offer 2 hours of listening time. Finally, most importantly, what I care about the most is warranty. This Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds comes with 12 months of warranty. That's usual. Many other brands are offering 12 months of warranty. But there is a special thing. They are now offering 3 months extended warranty. So altogether, we are gonna get 15 months of warranty. One more time, I have to say kudos to Tranya. Tranya Nova is the latest released earbuds after Tranya makeover with a new brand logo. After Tranya has got a makeover with brand new logo, color and slogan in 2023. This one is a true wireless earbuds based on Qualcomm QCC3072 SoC and as I have mentioned earlier comes with IPX5 waterproof rating. Customized Tranya audio application, 12mm powerful dynamic drivers, 40 millisecond low latency, and this one supports aptX adaptive codecs and Sonic Max technology. Tranya Nova comes with the advanced hybrid active noise cancellation, and Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds can effectively reduce ambient sound external noise up to 43 decibel. Yeah, 43 decibel. That's a big number. That's a huge thing. Okay, I know a few moments ago I have mentioned that Sonic Max, and if you don't know about what is Sonic Max technology can help improving the sound quality, dynamic range and sound details of audio by using special audio algorithms and processing techniques. Sonic Max technology can enhance the listening experience while listening to music, watching movies, playing games and other audio content by improving the sound quality and providing richer, clearer and deeper audio effects inside our ear groove. Talking about sound quality, as Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds are powered by the advanced Qualcomm QCC3072 chip and supports aptX adaptive technology, this one offers one of the best sound quality in its class. Within its price segment, This one is actually built with better audio algorithm which can process audio into superior level, delivers rich and immersive sound across the entire frequency spectrum. I have mentioned this in most of my other TWS or ANC earbuds videos that some of the earbuds actually offers a very good mids. Voice, the vocal, the mids feels like so warm and rich, so comfortable, but bass and treble are unbalanced. Lows and highs are unbalanced. But Tranya actually has done a lot of research and I can feel it inside my ear. Lows are very nice. It's not like excessive, and highs are not like distorted. Highs and lows have a very good balance, and mids always stays at the perfect line. So I'll be happy to give 9 out of 10 for lows, 10 out of 10 for mids, and again 9 out of 10 for highs. So altogether it should get around 9.3 out of 10 for overall sound performance. Most of the other earbuds which costs less than $100 highs are sometimes a bit distorted or a bit too sharp, and that actually hurts the total listening experience. But Tranya has done it to perfection. They have really nailed it. You have to use these earbuds and listen to some music, play some games, and then you will understand the difference. Okay, before we move forward and talk about Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds, let me show you something. I have tons of earbuds. Only here I have 100 earbuds inside these boxes. I also have many other in my home, and some of my earbuds are on my car. So yeah, altogether I have more than 125 sets of earbuds. So when it comes to sound quality, I know what can we expect from this price segment. And considering the price, this Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds offers one of the best ratio between performance and value for money. Okay, I know you have been waiting for unboxing, build quality, appearance, outlook, the application, a lot other things. But before that, I want to talk a bit about this brand Tranya. Taylor, the founder of Tranya, has started this brand with a nice motto. The mission of Tranya is to create better products, find better solution, and help music lovers to enjoy the music of the artists that they like or love to listen to. Tranya has started its journey at 2016, and through the last 7 years they have done a lot of research. They have developed a lot of nice products. This brand may be a bit new to you, but I have been using some of their products, and finally I believe that Tranya is totally ready to finally hit the global market with these Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds. Okay, if you want to know more about Tranya, I have left a link in the description box below. I have also left a link of these Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds in the description box below. Well, now it's time to talk about outlook and appearance of Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds, but before that, quickly check the unboxing. Okay, here comes Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds. In hand, this charging case truly feels premium. Personally, I don't like glossy finish, but this one is a bit different. The glossy finish even has its own textures and feels super premium in hand. Because Tranya has manufactured these Nova ANC wireless earbuds with premium quality materials. Every cutout, every curve, all the design language, yeah, it's simple yet very futuristic. And as they have built it with precision, all the curves are so smooth. The top lid of the charging case is connected through a very strong hinge, and it's very easy to open or close the top lid. When the top lid is closed, yeah, thanks to those strong magnets, it gets properly closed and stays flat. It won't accidentally open up and drop the earbuds. Talking about the earbuds, I truly like the design language. Yeah, many other earbuds are coming with similar design, but Tranya Nova ANC has its own design language. Most importantly, it's very easy to take out the earbuds from the charging case, and it's even easier to put the earbuds inside the charging case. I've been using these wireless earbuds for the past couple of weeks and I've never felt any issue. Especially when I put these earbuds inside my ear groove, they stays there. They are not gonna drop off. These are a very good set of earbuds, a very good companion. If you like to do sports activities and wear your earbuds, definitely you can trust these earbuds. They're not gonna go anywhere. Yeah, cool. Well, you may have noticed if you have watched my other earbuds review videos, I always say after the sound quality, there is one another very important thing about a set of earbuds, and that is the ear tips. If a set of earbuds comes with ear tips, then that is the second important part of that earbuds, because these ear tips actually touches our skin inside our ear groove. So if the ear tips are not comfortable enough, we won't be able to enjoy music. And at the same time, if the ear tips are too soft, then it may get dropped off, or it may fail to create a better seal inside our ear groove, so the ANC will fail. Yeah, Tranya deserves an applaud because they have provided very good quality ear tips. It's neither too soft nor too hard. It has the perfect balance. When I put this one inside my ear, I don't even feel like I'm wearing a set of earbuds, because the ear tips offers utmost comfort and creates a better seal. I have already talked about hybrid noise cancellation. Now let's talk about transparency mode. Because these Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds are equipped with 6 microphones, it can effectively detect ambient sound, and thanks to Qualcomm CVC 8.0 ANC technology, so Nova ANC wireless earbuds can properly amplify the ambient sound, the human voice, and the other sound that actually we need to listen to when it is required. These earbuds don't amplify the ambient sound to an absurd level. This one has a pure balance, so the music listening experience even in transparency mode is super cool. Sometimes when I go running or walking, and well, even if I'm not walking or running, in some areas it gets windy, and wind noise is a very difficult thing to eliminate. So I've been looking for a set of earbuds which can actively eliminate wind noise, or which comes with wind noise reduction. Yeah, these Tranya Nova ANC earbuds can reduce wind noise, so when we are running or walking outside or doing some workouts, even if there is a heavy wind noise, we can listen to music or any other content that we want to listen to without any issue. Before we talk about the application and wrap up this video, there is one more thing. Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds supports MPC multi-point connection, so we can connect Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds to multiple devices, like to a smartphone and at the same time to a tablet. That actually helps a lot, because now I don't have to juggle through devices, or I don't have to manually connect and disconnect the earbuds from one device to another. The process is totally automatic. The switching process is done too fast, and it's totally automatic, because Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds supports multi-point connection. Okay, the name of the application is Tranya Audio. It's available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. After downloading the application, it's easy to connect the device, and once the device is connected, we can do a lot of things through this application. We can check the battery status, we can select game mode. Game mode enables low latency. We can select equalizer. There are a few preset equalizers available, but if you wanna customize your own equalizer, you can do that. I prefer the balance preset equalizer. This one offers a very good immersive sound, and we can even customize the controls. What will happen to single tap on left? What will happen to single tap on right? There is option for single tap, double taps, triple taps, quadruple taps, quintuple taps, and long press. Trust me, no other earbuds comes with quadruple and quintuple taps. So we actually have 12 actions on the touch. That's truly an overkill, I think. Other than that, we can also select noise cancelling, ambient sound, or normal. There is a settings option. Inside the settings option, we can upgrade firmware. It's really very easy. Well, that's all about this Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds. Yeah, considering the price of $90 US, it actually costs less than $90 US. And even if you want to find something, a true competitor of this Tranya Nova ANC wireless earbuds, then I believe that you have to spend more than $150 US, because I have tried to find a lot, I have failed. Okay, I have already mentioned that I have left the links in the description box below. If you are interested, go ahead, check that. I have also happened to get a discount code for you. Enjoy the discount. But before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.